This video continues our series this spring about how to make sure that you're ready for the device transfer. This will look at how to make sure that your bookmarks are saved to the cloud. We'll take a look at the three main web browsers, Google Chrome, Apple's Safari, and Mozilla's Firefox. Each of these have a cloud-based option to help seamlessly save your bookmarks. If you use multiple browsers, you will need to make sure that your bookmarks are saved for each browser. Finally, this video will also explain a way to check that your bookmarks are in the cloud by using your iPad. You may already be syncing your bookmarks in Google Chrome and not know it. Google Chrome has a login for syncing properties of Google Chrome itself. This login could very easily be confused with where we log into the browser and access our Google Docs. The login we are looking for in this case is in the upper right-hand corner, but in a thin gray menu bar, sometimes next to the URL, sometimes above it. The icon will either be a shoulder silhouette or the smaller of two Google icons or perhaps letters. See the pictures that just showed up. We want the small ones on top and not the larger icon on bottom next to the 9 dots. If you're not already signed into the Google Chrome browser, it will show you the gray silhouette. You can click on that and sign in with your RSU13 Google account. If you are already signed in, make sure the sync is on. Also, note what account you're logged in with. Occasionally, the bookmarks are synced to a different account than from RSU13, depending on what you logged in with. You'll need to remember which account you've synced your bookmarks with. If you want to check that your bookmarks are really in the cloud, go ahead and pull out your iPad. Open Google Chrome on your iPad, and tap the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, then go down to Settings. Log in with the same username that you used to sync your laptop browser to. Once you're logged in, you can tap the three dots in the upper right-hand corner again, and you can go down to Bookmarks. You can check the various folders here to make sure that all the bookmarks that were showing up on your laptop are showing up in Google Chrome on your iPad as well. If they're appearing on your iPad, they should appear on your next device when you get it in June. Safari will also save your bookmarks to the cloud. You want to make sure that your Apple iCloud is turned on. You can see how to do that in this prior video. To make sure that Safari itself is saving things, go to the Apple menu in the upper left-hand corner and then go to System Preferences. Once you're in System Preferences, you want to select Apple ID, which is in the top row, or iCloud, which may be in the third row. Once you open up your Apple ID settings, you want to make sure that Safari has been checked to be turned on. If that's the case, it's saving all your Safari bookmarks to your Apple iCloud. If you want to check this, go ahead and pull out your iPad and go to Settings. Tap your name in the upper left-hand corner and then tap iCloud on the right. Make sure that Safari is turned on, and if that's the case, then iCloud on your iPad is working with the same bookmarks that are on your laptop. You can go over to the Safari app, tap on Bookmarks in the upper left, and check through your bookmarks to make sure that the same bookmarks you have on your laptop are showing up on your iPad. You may want to click on the various folders or menu to make sure that they're all there. Lastly, Firefox also has a way that you can save your bookmarks in the cloud. If you use Firefox, you'll want to make a Firefox account at firefox.com. Once you've made that account, you can tap in the upper right-hand corner on the gray silhouette, and if it's not already logged in, you can log into your account. Then you want to go down to Sync Settings. Once in Sync Settings, it shows you that bookmarks are one of the things that you are syncing, and if it's not turned on, you can go down to the Change option and make sure that your bookmarks are turned on to be synced. You can check this in Firefox on your iPad. In the upper right-hand corner, tap on the three dots and go to Sign in to Sync. Once you're there, make sure that you sign in with the same login that you used on your laptop, and it will bring all of your bookmarks over. You can check your bookmarks by tapping on the book icon and then looking at the different folders that are available to make sure that all the bookmarks that you're hoping are there really are there. If they're synced from your laptop to your iPad, they will be synced from your current laptop to your next laptop as well. If you're using a different browser, you'll want to reach out and contact your integrator of how to save your bookmarks.